Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. Have you checked out our recipe from last week where we made broccoli cheddar rice casserole? If you missed it, of course, you can check it out right here. Today we are going to be making another delicious dinner time favorite, garlic Parmesan Cruffins. Now that is a Crescent muffin and they're fabulous. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 3 tubes of Crescent roll dough sheets like Pillsbury, 1 cup of garlic herb butter like Kerrygold, softened, 2 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and some grated Parmesan cheese for sprinkling. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. One at a time, unroll each of your Crescent dough sheets onto a cutting board. Evenly spread a third of your butter over each of your sheet, making sure that your entire dough sheet is covered. Once that's done, sprinkle the dough with a third of your shredded Parmesan cheese. Starting at the long end of your dough, carefully roll it up until the ends are touching. Once that's done, use a very sharp or serrated knife to cut your dough in half, creating 2 smaller rolls. After that, you're going to cut the dough again, but this time lengthwise, like a hot dog bun. And then you're going to very carefully roll or coil the dough into like a cinnamon roll shape and place your roll into a muffin pan that's been lightly greased. Once that's done, brush your melted butter over the tops of each of your cruffins. Then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your cruffins in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until they become beautifully golden brown. Once that's done, allow them to sit in the pan for about 5 minutes, then sprinkle with your grated Parmesan cheese. Then these are ready for eating. And with that, our gorgeous garlic Parmesan Cruffins are ready to go. This herbed butter is one of my favorite secret baking weapons. It is loaded with delicious garlic flavor. It's got a little bit of salt to add more depth. It's delicious. Plus, who can resist Parmesan cheese and then this flaky, beautiful golden crescent roll dough? These are perfect for dinner. You can even eat one for breakfast. Really, you can't go wrong having them at any time. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our beautiful garlic Parmesan Cruffins. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.